Hey, what's up guys, welcome back for another video, and today I'm going to present a video on Amazon Echo Plus. We will do the initial impression as well as the unboxing. Okay, I'll be honest, during the Labor Day weekend sale there was an amazing offer going on this Amazon Echo Plus, which usually retails for $150. I was getting a great deal, 50% off, $75 for a great product. So I went ahead, placed my order, received it in 2 days, and I'm really excited to present it to you guys because I am a very big fan of my Amazon Studio that I already have. It has a great audio, crisp audio, and I really like the smart home features that it comes with. Okay, let's look at what we get in the box. As you can see, a very nicely packed Amazon Echo Plus. The form factor is really nice. It is really compact compared to Echo Studio. And you also get some paperwork inside this packaging. So first of all, it comes with a charger. It is a very nicely built quality charger for your Echo Plus. And it comes with this usage manual and some bunch of paperwork regarding the features. That's pretty much it. Let me keep that aside and talk about Amazon Echo Plus now. Let's take out this plastic first of all. As you can see from top, it just looks like an Amazon Echo Dot, but there is this huge cylindrical speakers that it has, which is really nice. I wanted something for my office space. We already have something for our living room, which is Echo Studio, which is really nice, very good quality sound producing device. But I thought for my office space, which is much smaller in size, I wanted something which is smaller but very good quality, and I also wanted something which is a smart speaker. So this fits all those criterias for me. Let me power this thing up. While I'm doing that, we'll go over the main features of this device, and I will also talk about how I am planning to use this smart speaker. So first of all, let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is Alexa. Alexa makes this speaker smart, and you do get all the features that comes with Alexa. Secondly, it is Bluetooth enabled, so you can play your music, any other things on Bluetooth. You can connect via your phone, other devices, and you can play music on this smart speaker. And it is Wi-Fi capable, so you can actually control your home automation through this device. You will be able to control your light bulbs, Philips Hue, your thermostats with this device. And you have this audio line in or out, and it produces Dolby sound. So as I was mentioning earlier, sound quality is really good. You don't have to compare it to Harman Kardon and all those things, because you have to look at it as a $75 smart speaker which produces very good sound when you compare it to $75 normal speaker. Additionally to that one, as I was mentioning, it has this built-in smart home hub and premium sound designed around your voice. Simple to set up and voice control your smart home. Voice control music throughout your home. Premium sound powered by Dolby. Hands-free calling, so you can actually sync your phone with this device and you will be able to make calls hands-free. And you have this far field voice recognition as well. Voice recognition on this thing is really good. I am sure Amazon is doing a lot of research and innovation in that sector. I've compared this with Google's product, Apple Siri, and this one is at the top when you compare with those things. You can just install this app from your Apple App Store, and after that you just need to sync this smart speaker with your cell phone, so that you can play your music on Bluetooth and also control your smart home devices with this device. And let me show you an example of how you can play music over the Bluetooth device after you have set up this device. Alexa, play See You Again song.
Here's See You Again by Once Jameson on Amazon Music.
With multi-room music, you can play songs on your compatible Echo devices in different rooms at the same time.
With that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more such content like this. And please don't forget to exercise today. See you in the next one.